Accounting terminology refers to the specialized vocabulary and terms used in the field of accounting to describe financial transactions, processes, and concepts. Here are some key accounting terms briefly explained. Assets. Resources owned by a company that have economic value such as cash, inventory, property, or investments. Liabilities. Debts or obligations of a company, including loans, accounts payable, or accrued expenses. Equity. Also known as shareholders' equity or net worth, it represents the residual interest in the company's assets after deducting liabilities. Revenue. Income earned by a company from its primary business activities, such as sales of goods or services. Expenses. Costs incurred by a company in the course of its operations, such as salaries, rent, utilities, or raw materials. Accounts payable. Amounts owed by a company to its suppliers or creditors for goods or services received but not yet paid for. Accounts receivable. Amounts owed to a company by its customers for goods or services sold on credit but not yet collected. Depreciation. The systematic allocation of the cost of a long-term asset over its useful life to reflect its gradual loss of value. Accruals. Recognition of revenues and expenses in the financial statements before they are received or paid in cash. Cash flow. The movement of cash in and out of a company, including operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Balance sheet. A financial statement that presents a snapshot of a company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Income statement. Also known as the profit and loss statement, it summarizes a company's revenues, expenses, and net income or loss for a specific period. Cash basis. Accounting. An accounting method that recognizes revenues and expenses only when cash is received or paid. Accrual basis accounting. An accounting method that recognizes revenues and expenses when they are earned or incurred, regardless of when cash is received or paid. Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP. A set of accounting standards and guidelines used to prepare and present financial statements in a consistent and reliable manner.